Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Peace be upon you, friends. Dajjal will reveal himself from the east. He will belong to a Jewish family. He is usually described as blind in one eye, and the word infidel will be written on his forehead. If you have come to our channel, then please subscribe our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the bell icon to keep up to date with new information. He will conquer Jerusalem and travel the whole world, on every city except Mecca and Medina. As a false messiah, many will be deceived by him and join his ranks. He will be assisted by an army of demons. The most reliable supporters of his will be the Jews, for whom he will be like God. At his return, many people of weak faith will fall under him. After he comes, it will be impossible to keep our daughters and wives at home. These are the signs of the resurrection. The first 10 and last 10 verses of Surah Kahf can save us from the temptation of Dajjal. Try to memorize the first 10 verses of Surah Kahf. Try to read it daily. This is not a joke. Try to increase awareness in this regard. This is the biggest, severe and most difficult fitna of our ummah, and I see many people who are unaware of it. Please learn about it and try to build your faith, because Dajjal is going to play with our faith. May Allah protect us from Dajjal's temptation. Amen. Allah Hafiz till next video.